Enga kengi agenda tagotengerege taseni kia Ndizi TV no mwebirira sembe no muroberi bwechi gosori bona botambe okoretu na inchende mo Steven Captain 001 nimaite na mange tu yariganiti na lero iga gati ali turabeto gukwanera muno namwe narengete egosori ya chess abange baigure chess mwanyoro lire kurinde lero iga ntobwate abamanyi etateni kia Ndizi TV barabeto gusanga na barabu aiga amabori aonsi nyabori goro ya gosori ye Gusii iga nkayura abe gokonye gosori na amangana mangaringite gosori ye ntobeto konyamanya amange kurinde omoroberi nechi gosori okore tubuna botambe na injende mo Steven Captain 001. Nemete twakwanire nkoyo engakie ntambe twarigeri chigosori chia Gusii iga chigosori chia Shabana twarigeri FKF Premier League twarigeri English Premier League ati chinde konde rero igo mwancho morigeri asense meye ntanga ntobe twakwanire gosori ya chess uchakari tukulia mambi ego timu kurorongo rwa Gusii yabana insi emyaka 15 nebere nebe kwenda sense moya Uasin County ase skuru ya Moi Girls Eldoret ase chigosori echwekerengo ne Kia Nationals abana abankor Gusii iga bena cheire eticket yo kwenda sense mil na rero iga nimbwate gati ya bali bauchikwenda sense mil ya Moi Girls Eldoret ekerengo Kia Nationals maigo yoko bwa sense mil ya South Nyanza no bara iga ase studio ndobe tokorukanike Gusii geke Geswahili geke Gesongo geke ilinde banyali gukona kutosomia mange igore ya gosori. So welcome to the studio, congratulations for qualifying to the chess finals. So nitaanza na wewe utuambie jina lako, shule yako na utaenda katika kiwango kile cha nationals katika kategori ipi?
Thank you. Nitaanza kwa kusema jina langu ni Ruel Kiplagat kutoka shule la St. Vincent de Paul, Mtakatifu Vincenti. Yes, I qualified for the nationals with 6 points, and I'm going to make something greater in the nationals. I want after the nationals I go to I just go to the Liberia.
African Continental.
Yeah, African Continental. Yeah, I go to Liberia for Africa, the whole Africa, and after that I think it's either Dubai or Russia.
I know you have a big dream. I know mararabwa tanda kia kone kipuna kuruldo. I think of wali na kogenja. Na kila kote na niga nyalite kukense mo ya nationals. Mago tuwara chipo intisano nemo. Nyorob na sense meri ya regionals, South Nyanza regionals. Nigo bari koso lichira undi sano nemo. Na kere round ige wate point ya yemo asomo bui. Igo kera wate chipo intisano nemo. Nige minetibura niga wate chikoso lichai chionsi pi chia chess na chess na rocha kucho bora iga. Nera koso le mayaka ine buna chess. Ovo talio boche boli bwe bibange osebwe bimunekero bya chichuba eyen chess ese keregento gya chess ki wate ngencho yaye turabeto komanya go ikero mweli bwensemeye. Now it's your turn. First and foremost, you are very young. Yes. What category are you, and how did you get yourself to the nationals?
Well, thank you. First, my name is Chris Jones. My school is called Pink Premier Academy. I started playing chess when maybe I was 6 years old. And then when I played chess, first I did not have any board. I told my father to get for me a board. From that day, I started learning chess until I told my father I should go maybe to a competition of chess. And then he said that I'll not be ready, but I said I'll be ready. And then I was able to defeat. So I'm thinking when I go to the nationals, it will be good. I'll not have to be worried because I'll win.
I know nigaro mungaini sana ndaka gosole ya chess igesonge kana tabuna ndake tatu mwabo ta wate kusemeli bino mwana wa yenanya ari kubwase South Nyanza ise chiskuru kinge kolende aganyara kubwa kondo mwancho morigeli na muroche ga kokosoli na igento andake ikake wana wairira keigo na nja kanyara konkeresa gosoli yeye na mbuete litukeli omwana wa moke bino muroche igo yokera konda nationals igo manyana omwana ole omuoge mwana sana kwana kibuna se gosoli yeye na bega gokoli buja sana. In fact, that day you defeated me.
Yes.
Will you defeat me today? Now we have another game here. Will you win today?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, we are live on TV. We'll see before the end of the match whether you will win. But now, hii mchezo tumeona ni mchezo ambayo si watu wengi wanajua mchezo huu. Si wanafunzi wengi kama nyinyi wanajua mchezo huu. Unaona kila kitu iko na maana yake. Maybe Chris, what's the name of this one?
Queen.
This is a queen.
Yes.
And then for you, Ruel, show me a knight.
Knight.
Yeah, and also where is your knight?
My knight.
Then show me a pawn.
A pawn.
Yeah.
Yes, a pawn.
Where is your king? Mwancho murigereri abe gosugiyere igo kire gento kibwatirie tariaye na kire gento iki kibwate enchera kiranyare ko bakeguswa imbero robi kwenda bigosuka step ya momoto step ya momaega ngero roye konyara gutume binde igoro kire gento kibwate chinguru au labda wewe uliweza kujifunzaje mchezo huu ambao wengine wanasema ni mgumu, ulijifunza vipi?
Yes, nilianza mchezo huu nikikuwa darasa la 5.
Kwa sasa uko la ngapi?
8.
La 8, okay.
Baba yangu ndio he introduced me to this game, and I tried to nurture it until now I'm in levels, so I'm in under 13 right now, and I think I'm better there.
And for you, Chris, it was not tough when you were learning this game, when you were very new, you don't know anything about this game, you are beginning. How was the experience?
Well, the experience was good, but when I started practicing with my father, it was very tough. Until now, it was not tough. It was very easy for me to be able to play.
You don't confuse. You see, this is a bishop. Yes. It moves diagonally. There's this is a knight. Sometimes it can move. It uses a shape of 7 when it is moving. You don't confuse them. You cannot confuse any of the move.
No.
Why? Practice.
Yes, I practice a lot.
Okay. But now I know mancho morigeri banya tego somya gosuri bakanyemanya na kwa kwenda bara sensemo area Eldoret tasemo ya nationals. Labda wewe umeweza kujiandaa kwa finali ambazo ni kule Eldoret. Umejiandaa vipi kwa sababu ushindani utakuwa mkali?
Yes, nimejiandaa vizuri. We usually train at school there. We have games captain who we have those boards there. So we usually train after games from 4 to 5. And I think I'm good. Even if I don't play chess, I still have the content in my head. Yeah, and I have that courage that I will win.
You've got that courage.
Yeah.
Maybe for you, Chris Jones, in this game of chess, what do you enjoy most about this game?
Well, I enjoy just to play because I love this chess. I love how they created it. Sometimes even I think who created chess.
Well, what do you appreciate about the person who created it? What do you learn through this chess?
I learned through this chess that it helps you to learn many things. It can help you in mathematics. It can help you in a little subjects.
So if I play it, I'll be well in maths.
Yes.
Mwancho muri gari njengira ndense mo school. Njiko soma maths. Lakini njetini ko gora gitabu kya maths. Ko gore board ya chess yoka bande brekara wo chess chess yeye okoba bu ya maths ona njira vonda chikoba ingokora igo. I know Chris Jones has said that when you play this game, you become also sharp in class. For you, what's the experience in class after playing chess?
In class, this game helps you to calculate if, somebody moves and you have to say, why did he move here? And what attack can he do? That helps you in mental IQ, and it helps you in class. Even a move like this one is not just, you have to calculate. If someone does like this and you fall into his trap like this one then is gone.
Wow, I never saw it.
That's why you must calculate in this game, and it helped me really much. In mathematics.
For example, Ruel, I know you said every move it opens many possibilities. Let's say I was the one, it was my turn to play.
Yes.
Then I played this way. What do you make about my move if I've moved this way? What do you think I'm thinking about playing next?
About playing next, most they're opening for this route, or they're opening for their queen in case of any danger, because if there's a false mate, which the queen can come in and a checkmate. So they are opening for the king, they are opening for the knight here. It's not good to move here, but the knight here, and mostly you have to protect this piece. You have to locate the center square piece, the center of the game. So the most moves you must have to locate this square, yeah.
Oncho bariaria ya sioko raigangu etere gosori ya chess owato umanyi boy mesana na wana bana bake bakonya gonse base bibinte bingoro gosori ya birie bikema itena nje bana rako baba commenta na nyore gosori ya chess cho gosori ya chagite bya kemekoro ngakiye chise gichiri chinkoro igatiye ense ya monense yende nero yari gutumeku kwana kibuna umubegu arachaiga na kinche na kitu kwerenda umubegu utanyara gutobwa na boy gosche na ke chese yere enseme ye genseme mote birabu enseme ni gatwale bimwamu bikonya ko gosori ase egosori. But now I'm saying our time is really moving and we need to wrap this segment that we had with you. So maybe what is your final remark or your promise? I'll begin with you, Chris Jones, as you go to the nationals. Your father did not trust in you in the regionals, but now you're going to the nationals. What do you promise, or what will you do in the nationals?
Well, in the nationals, maybe if I win, now I'll ask my father for another coach.
You don't want your father to be a coach any longer?
See, I've been defeating him a lot of times, so I think maybe I should have another hard coach.
So mwana ya tabna ga kuvuga. Ese mo ya nationals tato mwabo. Nero bire coach okomoro kia gosule kuniga kuvuga. Au teba uchuchinya au tato mwabo na ko butire gasi. Ndigeria coach ngawe gwasi nyirisa ngibona wanza biri bandi yanko kuvugande. So your father, now what will your father be doing if now you sack him as your coach?
Well, he'll just be looking up for me. Maybe he'll be helping me a little bit.
And paying your school fees.
Yes.
And wewe kwa sehemu yako Ruel, umeenda mashindano wakati mwingi, wakati kwa nationals, labda unaweza kutoa ahadi gani kwa shule yako ukienda katika hiyo nationals?
I want to make a promise that I will win that chess. It's not about seeing where the person moves, it's about seeing his possibilities. And that chess, I believe that I will win. I believe.
Thank you and all the best. I also believe.
Yeah.
And last now, Chris Jones, as now we wrap up, what do you have to tell to that kid watching you now who may wish to learn chess, or I want you to persuade or convince another kid out there to watch chess, looking at that camera?
Well, there's a easy move that you can move, and then it will be checkmate all faster. First, you must move maybe a pawn here. Maybe somebody will move it here.
Let's say he moves here, okay.
Now there's another way. Now you must aim somewhere. You will aim here to this pawn.
Yes, so you'll be attacking this pawn.
Yes, and then I come here. Maybe he will try, maybe...
Let's say he moves this way.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you will eat. That's checkmate.
That's the full split.
And then now he will take your queen.
No.
Oh, it's protected. You saw it coming. So all the best in your careers. This is chess. Ene gosori engia. Na ene same time to watena vana watu bongaini obonge sana. Ni maite togono mutimo komo keigo. Mbati gale bagosiana na aige korinda sense mo ya kabere. Mtobe no moiborio ye Chris Jones. Oyo otevigo bunanda ke navutu. Onyo mwana yo gakopwa State Nationals. Na tutwale umwalimu ne coach ya St. Vincent de Paul Orwell na baigana arobate yanda ko rwense mo chiskuru nkirikira akoru kwanda kibune gosole yene era chiskuru kinga muno to wikira omwali rwense me yentangani omutimo komo keigo koira na tole tosanga mange.
Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura y'ubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elio bwikere abarigereria kurochi county sana na ibire echuchira sorogonko rwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesime ase namba enoti sana na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo elio to bwikere gose otutarire ase chiabisi chito echuchira se nyumba ya Brighton Apartment ejire busyo bw'ekiro ya Embassy ekeroko gende nyakoe. Enyagitari ya Tenacious Herbal Center nigo bakurwaria gutumika amaryogo yemete amarwire buna asthma, arthritis gusuko bimba kwa maboko n'amaguru, fibroids, diabetes gusoburwire bw'isukari, cancer chonsi, libido obuboro burwire bw'ikinguru cy'abasacha, high blood pressure gukeyo bulito bw'umubiri, amarwire yerisangwa, chi allergy, gastritis, fistula, bronchitis, epilepsy, ulcers, insomnia na yanda mange.
Kimashini cheito gochi gukorigere cyoka nduto koereza bunurwarite wata tebina yiga buna boti bikorara gabu ngoigundo bobe igabu gintu gete na gintu gete ngokorekana kiri ekara twanyorire twakorire tokonyora umubiri oyo atakire gukora massage ntubwate bitanda bya massage ntubwata abanyagitari bakora massage.
Naboku mwakiresimi omudirector w'indigitari yo Dr. Joel Umayo ase namba enotisano nebire ibere isano nemo kianda ibere inya isano gosomurikere email gochia info@tenaciousherbal.co.ke Wego naboku batalira ase nsemo ya Kisii yogo ase barai kugenda Nyamira enyumba ya uraiti Tenacious Herbal Center ubugweni uregene kubwatekana nobonye bwito bwige kigetambe asense mu yibintu by'ugutumika istima nigo yaene kigubuna nigo kubinyora imiyeduka yemo ya light tower asirigurianse nasobwamo nigo tubwate chitayabuna colored lead light ebirobu bya fluorescent fittings, snake lights, chandelier lights, downlighter, security lights na motion sensor lights. Boigo ntubwate assorted garden lights, conduits, fitting sockets, industrial sockets na insulator switches. Neji socket chechingencho chunsi. Boigo ntubwate chi ceiling fitting, chi cable au, meter boxes, switch boxes, chi fuse, circuit breaker, conductors, earth rods, consumer boards, power extensions, fridge guards, showers na lamp holders. Boigo ngo supply bareime ya Nyamira, Migori, Kilgoris, Homa Bay, Kisii nechize muchiyetanaine. Nabogu tutarira ime yomo cho Kisii asamagacho a old Sansora building angenegete sini kanene gechigari gosio to akirisimi ase namba enoti sano na ibere yemo inyemara kabire enoti sano nemo gose enoti sano na inye noti isano nemo isano na isato enoti eyemo isato. Light Tower, your one-stop shop for lighting and electrical fitting. Wima Electricals and Electronics nabaoni ya bebinto byoko igo kistima na electronics cho gutumika nyumba buna chi TV set, chi decoder, chi hoover, chi birika chuko belia mache, DVD players, chi machine chuko gingira ebirobu byestima bichi aina au power extensions, showers, consumer units, solar panels, inverters, industrial sockets, switch boxes, cooker sockets, circuit breakers, chibasi chokobasi richianga, chi insulator switches, chi tester chistima, chi meter boxes, nebinde binge. Nigobare imeyomo chokisi, asinyumba ya Gusii Plaza, a room number G2. Naboko bakiresimi ase namba enoti sano na ibere eyemo isano enoti marakabere kianda isano na isato ibere isano na ibere gose enoti isano na ibere eyemo isano na isato isano nemo enoti isano na ibere inye isano nemo ibere. Wima Electricals and Electronics, the best electricals in town. Ndizi TV Ubwansu bw'Umugusii.
na kwaria ndira sense mende yo muroberi gwechigoserio kore tubuna butambe na inchende mo Steven Captain 001 asere gatugante gusanga igoro ya gosorie ya chess kwemanyia mange igoro ya kerikerengete egosorie na rega nimbo atavalimu vava litwa tensementangani kutoka upande mwingine tuko na babake Chris ranyareko kwani bali bakorigeti voniga nelietalia o.
Okay, Chengoro kwa Victor Maina inche isa Chris inche ngoma somi chess. I've been training him for a while. Na bono very oko waswa asechi competition and I work abia san no mwana or very sharp kara so miwe gento ako ke water immediately.
Hiro no tebere ngukubutali gasi.
Bokomu mboyo. Chora mima ete. Tigani ora monto como somi monogo Itania naliara agendra abe better kumbwa. Yes.
Kwa upande mwingine tuko nawe hapa, tumekuwa na Ruel. Anza na jina lako na labda shule yako na chess inahusikana vipi?
Okay, asante sana. Kwa majina yangu naitwa Kipchumba Ken Yongo. Mimi ni mwalimu katika shule ya msingi ya Dipol. Mimi ndio mwalimu wa Ruel Kiplagat. Na pia mchezo huu wa chess ni mchezo mzuri sana kwa wanafunzi. Inaweza kupanua akili na fikra. Kwa sababu hata ukiona wale wanafunzi ambao wanacheza mchezo huu wanapobea pia darasani.
Yunenga kiengia babire bako babako introduce aigase muroberi gwechigosori gomba bato umanyi obonge korea gosori ya chess na mono chigosori cha nationals ekira bicho guchakira mambia nsemo ya Moi Girls Eldoret konde chinga kiecho na vetagi ngosanga na ababwatani be gosori ya chess asense mweri ya Kisii school enga kitwa bwate chigosori echi ama merano ye chigosori echi ekerengo kelike manyakaine buna South Nyanza chiskuru auche yete koramba rabyo bali barachiko ticket yo kunyara kwanda sensemo elihia nationals kurende tarande semo yakabere studonko robot urike boikirano ndacho mwana wo kwanyare kwa bago kumwegeri nenga kientaina kwanda se competition yeye labda ngikeli gwa kolire ku momento umanywana kya kwanda nationals jutenga una regionals litwaroje
to very toko train nere on a daily basis to work on mchezo yo and toko go even deeper into the rules and the tactics of winning the game. Now it is on a high level, it is countrywide. Avana kuruchi skuru ensengima na bago chako compete. We have been really working very hard so that umano you go participate with and way.
Mete kunegento kingenjo sana ni metanda kensemo ya Kabere studio banale ko vata yali gotoro botirwa bene na kwa ntiko rwa skuru ya Kisii school keto pati chigosori echi ekerengo kia South Nyanza regionals tone semo ya Kabere studio toro sange. Aiga na skuru ya Kisii school aiga se chigosori chaba chigokorekana ase kerengo kia bana bakekerengo kia under 7 under 9, under 11, under 13, under 15 na under 17 na wase chiskuru au chaba chibweso kikorwa sekerengo keliye chiskuru choboroso primary schools na chiskuru chekerengo ya secondary asaba nale bwate miaka 15 nebere baika iga asama menonyo kwene kianda kembara bibali baraba kwenda sentunde kubwatia.
And today we are having an event of picking a team that is proceeding to the nationals that will be held immediately schools close at Moi Girls Eldoret. And we have picked teams that are going to represent this region at the nationals that weekend after closing schools.
Where we had a total of 147 students from 15 schools taking part, and any participant who scored 2 points out of 6 automatically qualify for the nationals that shall be held in Eldoret.
One I was playing with somebody, it was a draw, but the others I defeated all of them. Some others were not in my age, some others were even too small to play with. So I defeated all of them, even the big ones, the ones that are not in my age, I just defeated.
2018 Nyabigena Kisii School Sironga na Buba Renga Ororo bakaenda nationals. 2019 na twatwareta abana batangani kor Gusii bakoenda for an international event eyarengenya beginner boys asenarenge coach
Walitosangana babo nigo bagokera egosori esekeri bate babuna ne egosori gokonya omuntu kujara kurengera limono base bono basabira gwatani beserekari kuone kibuna chiskuru au njibwate egosori yeli kwegerera chigosori chikonyara gusuka na kwenda sekerengo kende.
It helps you in having great focus, for example in mathematics and other subjects like physics and chemistry.
This is a mind game, this is chess. It contains you to know more about it. It can help you in mathematics. It makes you, before you think, you must make a move.
Chess is a mind game. You have just to think at the opponent. Don't be shy when you're playing chess.
Chingongo chinde chia Kenya already nchitotanganerete mosio ase omochiesoyo babere bakoenda ase ense ya isiko mara nyinge naende mbono na intutotate koranga korwa orogongorwa Gusii na intutwatwalira abana baito toba exposure to the outside world with regard to this game.
Buna gosori enda yonse nigo bona batebire buna amaegerio gosekerike manyeka ine buna practice na ragane iria se gosori yese bali bonse bakole chigosori chentunde banyalire kwegwo moyo konyara kugendera kwegera se chiskuru chiabo na kwenda kibuna sentunde kubwati nimbabe bamanyire mono kogo komanya kwa ba sentunde ko reporter getaseni kia Ndizi TV korwa igase skuru ya Kisii School Elietaliane Ndemo Steven. Najua umeweza kuona ripoti hiyo ya kile ambacho kilifanyika pale Kisii School, lakini tukiangalia mchezo huu wa chess tukilinganisha eneo hili la Kisii na tunapofika nationals, maeneo mengine kama Nairobi yameweza kuendelea sana kwa mchezo huu kulinganisha na hapa, labda ni kipi kile kitafanywa ili chess iweze kuenea zaidi hapa Kisii?
Asante sana. Kitu ambayo inaweza wafanywa hapa Kisii ndio hii mchezo wa chess, ama wale wa lugha ya Kiswahili wanasema sataranji. Sataranji.
Okay.
Hivyo basi ni kwamba wazazi waweze kujitolea sana, kwa sababu ukienda kama kaunti ya Nairobi kule pia wameweza kupata sponsors, wapata wale sponsors ambao wameweza kuwasaidia shule kadhaa kuweza kupata hizi chessboard na kupata hizi pieces ili kuweza kucheza, kwa sababu kununua inahitaji pesa. Na ukipata hapa mashinani labda wazazi wananunua vitu vingine ambapo wanaona chessboard ni mchezo tu, lakini hawajui ya kwamba wakinunua chessboard inaweza kufungua mtoto kiakili, na akiwa darasani mtoto anaweza kufikiria kwa uwepesi. Hivyo basi na warai sana wazazi kutoka kaunti ya Kisii na viunga vyake waweze kusupport mchezo, ndio wataona watoto pia wakizidi kuimprove katika masomo yao darasani.
Ngete kwa igoro rovote unaino moiboli no skuru yao ya Pink Premier ni gwate gosoria ye andake obolito mbororo kere skuru twara chess ye mono akogosori andake ngomente ruole musigo nde bwenibo esa ngonjo bana uchesa chess nankili ayuno moiboli ebirengere bya ombiribi
on aso muno moiboli mbu ya tororenga dali chibesa to korerera mono kaya kero mwana achire go chibosio ngocha kokone kare in terms of education ama soma ngo yandare bia opportunities chinde ngocha chire na waranyoro nonye scholarship agende go chimumu iwono nande mwana birengere bia ngo iko kabire critical thinking chess ngo somie critical thinking mono bono leta tigato teme to support ya bana aba nonye chessboard ya tigatugure gatori gichinga kibaso bachiesa amachezo mneye nalio mwana gokina buya physically and mentally.
Nimate nebengeri byaba bwatani abane nase gosole yo no mwalimu bweskuru ya St Vincent de Paul no moiboli igo ndo bwate stakeholders funds bagana iria se gosole ya chess kone kibuna enkwane ye konyalire ko bage konda wono tuchikukura ndake nseme tuabwate najua kesho you will be taking around 51 students upande ule wa Moi Girls Eldoret. Ni kipi kile ambacho umefanya? Ni namba kubwa sana kwa maths, tunasema higher probability ya wengi kwenda ni kipi kile ambacho umefanya kuhakikisha kwamba raundi hii mtakuwa na kadhaa wanaenda, mlisema Liberia wanaenda Liberia?
Yeah. Tumeweza kufanya mazoezi ya hali ya juu, au wanafunzi wamekuwa wakifanya mazoezi pale shuleni, na nashukuru sana wazazi wa Mtakatifu Vincent wa Paulo. Wale wazazi ni wazazi wa kujituma, wameweza kutusupport sana. Shule pia administration imeweza kujituma pia ili kuweza kutununulia chessboard za kutosha. Ukikuja pale St Vincent unapata ratio is 1:1. tuko na chess board zaidi ya 20 na unapata watoto wanapata ile nafasi ya kufanya mazoezi mara kwa mara. Hivyo basi imewafanya watoto pia wameweza kumakinika vizuri, na nina uhakika ya kwamba pale tunapoenda Eldoret Nationals sitakosa mmoja ama wawili ambao wanaweza kuwakilisha nchi yetu kule Liberia.
Ngada frangu ni wakue 10.
Unajua wakati tunapoenda mashindano ya kitaifa pale si mchezo, because unakutana na best out of the best from different counties and from different regions. So hivyo basi pale mchezo si rahisi. Chenye naambia tu wanafunzi wangu ambao wananitazama sasa hivi waweze kumakinika sana, kwa sababu kwa mchezo wa chess ukifanya mkosa moja basi kurudi nyuma ni bala. Hiyo game utaweza kuwa tu umeshindwa. Hivyo basi waweze kuwa na umakinifu wa hali ya juu na wazingatie sheria zile ambazo zimetungwa kwa juu ya mchezo huu ili waweze kupata ushindi na kuwakilisha nchi yetu ya Kenya kule Liberia December.
Asante sana kwa usia wako. Kwa hivyo tukienda kumalizia, niko na mzazi hapa hivi, babake Chris Jones nilieleta Victor tatuma wa Chris Jones ngana oyo murtu guchokore gore ya chese kirikira kurubona sense basule nyare koba buna cyoso kinde bune nkoye manyakaine kira senki ngere kito chokora
tenda tayo tiga eserikali yeche emokyo mchezo yo chess or support through schools kera bona keroto also irase in the Ministry of Education koba raisi and koba bono as a school chess abana bonsi babe available as over mchezo. That is number 1. Number 2, available to open-minded, so that varodenga tali ajueli bagwaka
utali boche.
This is a very important game. Okonyo mwana korengerere, okonyo mwana in strategy. No nyaso boge manga kingo korangende. So tiga vaibore na warabu wakonya wana support aso mchezo yo na libona toragendera uchimoto.
Mbia mwana asinga kimwatu wale, asante sana kwa wakati ambao umekuwa nasi katika kipindi hiki ambacho tumekuwa tukiongelea mchezo wa chess. Sasa wote mambo ya mwana asali twesomiri igoro ya gosole na koranda kigocha kira mambi etimu ya Rurongo Rue county ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira condense area ya national na kibara eva gokori mbabu kitura twale abunda bekotevi kereto anyorire amachiba yo buno tokoikira omwali bwensemeye kwa toro mutimo komokeo tokoirana tuchukwana mange bona samana lengete enkoyo ese legi ya Nyanza Regional League chiwo kwa chiawile chinyinge sana tukwanira ayu gati ya manganande mutimo komokeigo koirana tule.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii Enyagitari ya Worldfit Health Center iye gutoka imijumbu chokisi nigikorwa bukorere bwa conventional medicine, nutritional medicine na herbal medicine.
We are professionals, tunabanyagitari tusomete enchira ya kawaida yo kurwalia marwaire tukuruka nga conventional medicine, nutritional medicine and herbal in Malaysia. So ekero montago chesinya gitari yeito ntutoko make sure nga tuapimiro murwere bya twakorere diagnosis
boywa mbabwato bokorere bonde buna general consultation okorengwa as laboratory, nutrition services, nutritional assessment, weight management, sports nutrition, natural and organic eating, plant-based nutrition, no bondobonge.
So na kito kero montaji robisi ito toko make sure nga tuamua device nutritionally nga kia koirena nga kia guitanga kuru kosoko nyora morwe ito gutumia amarioga kawaida aito gutera na conventional medicine tuatumia mariogo akurua sendagira munabono vitamins ama fatty acids na ndito mwenye gutumia amarioga akurukunga herbal medicine no tole enyomba ya Uhuru Plaza Gabo Songo goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A and then tubuate branch mu Eldoret enyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2 na and ntubwate branch ndumuchi Okaratina opposite Absa Bank.
Worldfit Health Center. We are different, best because we have knowledge on how to treat using both ways. Omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV Vono na bukura yubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elio bwikere abarigereria kurochi county sana na ibire echuchira sorogonkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesimi ase namba enoti sana na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo elio to bwikere gose otutarire ase chiabisi chito echuchira senyumba ya Brighton Apartment ejire busyo bwekiro ya Embassy ekeroko gende nyakoe. Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
Oyo na muraberi bwechi gosolega gende tasikitase ni Ndizi TV ko tubuna butambe na nchende mo Steven Captain 001 sensementanga ne ya kabere tawataba manyi ve gosoli ya chess bosi bweti myorongo rwa Gusii rabige kwenda nsemo ya Moi Girls Eldoret aseke nsemeri ya Nationals kwenda boniga teno kwanira mangana mangale ngete enkoyo nimbwato omumanyi wenkoyo ya Gusii aiga enkoyo ya Kenya na enkoyo ya Europe abo welcome as station yaito na utakaniri etali yao na ime regionals ntimukiri ogotiotereri
Esa maleta ngoro kunditi Nelson osabange baondoka mwalimu zaidi ya mwalimu inje ngotiotereri timu ku Gusii FC na ile timu yane igare sense mu ya regionals
Dagiona Gusii yao na rolire bwango ya mwatika small simple kapetani
ekene small simba ya tie na makari ali goromono kegera for the last 3 matches wakanyana tuanyore chidrangi sato lakini ningaite mna lero tuanyore obugui igobano kumaishana ntoira negari stwarenge na goturaire elige na ondo jana tuanyire
Rwanda ya chikosori sigare tense chikosori sano eligi ya Nyanza Regional League evege kwa ntora ngura chikoba omubui kolendo mwanchomo lile chinga kiechio asa ngana rengete ligi ya Nyanza Regional League chite muchinyinge chabira chikote banchibu atinibo yo kwenda se chikosori chiabo nchibu ati sponsor kolende asomo gano mu yase chikosori osama ngana rengete chikosori ya Regionals nego timu ya Global Connections kurwa sense mo ya Rigoma ya twarali bagali ya berere kunyara kogeni abageni babo chi sponsor chiabo kurwe kiombe kia Global Connections Foundation kurwa senseria United States of America na kwa rinetioro votioru tigatoro sange aiga na segeti kia Rigoma Green Stadium awa se timu ya Global Connections FC timu kokosori mea Nyanza Regional League yabake gotaleru na abateneli na ababwatani baba banene kurwa sense ya United States of America ekerenge kenene no konarana na abagosori babo na kwene kibuna andake timu ya Global Connections kogenderere buya na maigeli yabo.
Hi, my name is Ruth Haynes with Global Connections Foundation in the United States. We want to partner with Kisii and Nyamira and build a community center and raise up the village. We decided to start with a football club because we are raising money to build a community center. And while we're waiting to raise the funds for the community center and to build the community center, we thought football would be a great way that many of the men and women from the village could still have something to do with their time, and it would be something that it was something they told us they loved doing. So we thought we could start with that since we don't have the building yet.
At least when you go support,
twanyore chance ngia sana yo gocha mutu yabo kobata ya santi asibaturusirikiagara kole kore league buna yangete tuangete koru county league sponsor tu abwate kande karuo lakini tokanyoro bokonyi korwa saba ba Global Connections ande tokoba sese ni mono sana kiagara batoirira as first league bakolira na as second league tobwate chimachi go sana chiatigaire na chiro chitole confident kwamba ntochikole kiagara bado ntoganda tokoba support
gatiari abaga kwa ni gwanda kenemero buli okone kibino kubwatira no kuyaguwe chigosori gati ense ya United States of America no rogongo rwa Gusii ro eli okone kibuna ebiegwa nko babire bigosiru ko rwa sensemeye
bari banda bonse bago toiguna bago to join babe na into egera to gwatira ni sponsor to gwate on board actually egera to gendere na ndo to skemotu evijane basuke bagenda to the next level.
Yes, the morale is great. I mean, the players and the coaches have been really wonderful. They've put their heart and soul into every game. They've been winning many games. They've really quickly moved up in the league. So we believe in them and we're so proud of them.
Chinga kiechie chwa watani ve team ya Global Connections nabanya kenyoroko rwa igasense muyerigoma nigo bachengero kubwatira na kwa beiro gukwene kirie team ya Global Connections go ikobo tambe ya ikirebono iga
intu togo kirie sabageni abaito bachire korwa United States of America awo bago support ye ekegorie kege kyabasai egera baendere ko
right, the passion of playing, and after the game, just like the girls just did, they stand in a circle and they hug and they realize that, you know what, we're all on the same team. And so football is one of those great things that unites people together, and it should unite this community together. But we want to make sure that this team is supported by the community. It takes a village.
Kuripoti getaseni kia Ndizi TV kurwaiga asense ya Rigoma Green Stadium kutoka Rigoma Ward county ya Nyamira elia taliane Ndemo Steven Nemeto mwalimu kwa robot yoru raka yemuchengo kyo lyo chekero ko right team ya Gusii iga yatara batu bakonye bwato okoboko
kuleta ishara ingia sana kumaanisha kwamba abantu gutwara imani na local football and ngayete mna timu ya Global Connection nerbono ya very motivated kiagera challenge nes regionals ne sponsorship ngayete bono ngo bayire motivation and then ku encourage team tinena ko what talent ai tome to kumanya ngora che gokonya
kote bara babira ko bole na kinkerie ko ira tali timu nyenge chibwate sponsors imate no gucha yuti ne bwate bara bakunyesira nchire ya mwese yende bomachoge ne bwate kolende tali chance chibwate ndake umuchando okora timu chance njiko nyora sponsorship norori
igente tangani na matokyo amabe na ndonyora team organization ye team na kire ononyora na more organized bya tonyora sponsor good then commitment and then transparency because na wonyora monto ko ire chibesa ko igwanda kenaenda abantu bachire ba ire chibesa echo ononyora even the sponsors back were demoralized ono is discipline is the key and then yonyore amatokyo nebintu binde na bira attract so many sponsors because how are you organized to sponsor my good
Ewa mwegule mara baba bandi kirache message captain 001 tuligelie sponsor koraki timbo tibo buibonene kiengencho mono na atabiria iga mone kibuna mole organized mubwate katiba ya ino mole branded team ya onde bwate Facebook page team yao ni nyale konyorekana ni manyingi kendre tase team yao ndali ko bakira simi kire team ere transparent essentially yo ndaisi ko yora abantu baraga ni kwebwatisia amo ne team ko ndabona umwalimu Tenoro robeira se eligi ya regional mona kirego chikoera ndanyoro no nyase national super league muchando bwechi walkover ndorora buna lero iga tabo tiko soli ya nyainye ese tiko soli echwinye ibere chioka na chichiti chekageti ibere chabe walkover ne walkover ntanga ne soli ya ngati team ya Global Connections abanyo lite sponsor bale ko genie team ya Kikao FC kolende Kikao FC TI kageti era Global Connections kwa walkover obobui batagosole tigosoli ende yabe walkover ne gosoli gati team ya Gucha Youth lero iga yare ko genie team ya Riamoni asegeti kyanya match kolende Riamoni ko Nyamira techeti team yao inaranyo robobui bwechi point yeju echisato gosoli gati ya Kisii Industrial na Small Simba gukera chinga kinanya na goswambe iga Small Simba mutu yarenge kolende muchando bwechi walkover na kitura na kikonso affect the league
egente getangani oba affect the league ngina chitimu ngo chisire konyora chi point chire extra ene onyora team tera sweat and then yanyore chi point then egento kede korona chi go cover chiga tali timu nyinga chi tali irrigation bona onyora chi point chi timu chi akrini chi timu chiga barabuna barajo kar chi commentate agrendes prediction ere buna chi timu chi na chi go cover buna chi abo Kikao chiabaria moni go korire setebeli ya regionals chire na chiseto chinsari so meaning na bachira very irrigated lakini netari shongi ya keromo asoere sekeminano tari bya ucha kwerusa ni sekeminano pishana hadi mwisho tia kuruso
na gina tata ke gorechi kwa kwa vejitoro timu na kikao FC ngati timu ile ya beteke konyora slot yanyalete konyora slot ya bene yoko swaimi ya regional league ganda ke mutara ligi slot ya league enda yonsi na yone kimwanyalete kwa mwirigere senge njubuna mukonyora slot ya league ya igoro nabo emugana irimo kole binte binge rinde munyale kwa mwene kiri mwanyalete go sustain league kana ko ria set bo wikira boniga small simba ise ko bwege soli ya record 2.53 gucha youth mosachi point 50 ichuni combined nero kubwego soli ya mambi wikira boniga go soli gati ya small simba gucha youth na ichuni combined ko rinde bado mutendo yu o chiwokova andake chitimu chiro kire timu ya very relegated na nyara ko rase metanda wa igana ribuna obo chipointero chirimu ababuete chikurusi wororo ne goal difference wone timu ichuni combined ya mune ise ko wororo goso ndiro babuete 7 se chigolisa 7 chigusikira ko ruase goal difference nakira tebete be wikira boniga tonyore umobu tonyore clear picture
ntoranyara clear picture ese ngentuna wate una at risk point ya chikurusi kune ebintu bindi so lakini ende chigo chira front runner sese ligi ya boniga ere between Gucha FC ndowate small simba na ichuni nero abna the front runners igo bono kinde ngeke ochujenzi kenene mono ndicho kwa veji na chito poro doza
ndake gata to kwa tora ikira biko ndi tukolia mambi daga nyonge chi prediction cha bwango litukolia mambi ndobate ko sorry gati ya Nyamira United na ichuni mo winaro
ichuni combine kwa karo modo chori vere gochigoro
etungore uchiali
because implement game weyu the importance game winire
ego Jacob Wongeri na John Atambo na rote bira yankobwa mole mambi nembe ginkobwa tia kwa solid to bwate Getembe Street Boys nechikoge ni timu ya Bomachoge Borabu FC
Bomachoge Borabu FC abunko itero monto because Getembe of late game change rabangia na endemente captain ene timu nero ya renge champion ya country lakini wale wako ile gari number 14 SL League ono Getembe very strong. You take it to the bank for Machoge Borabu a win. Ayataka vine vrenge revia yo manchomo rigari gatari to ntoko bwati me Nyanza Regional League ko te chitimu chako Rugusiga Kisii County Nyamira County ngikelika gendrete mara bako boli captain tora kwa mangana Nyamira bole league ya Nyamira tuganyite final nyare ko bororo toranda ke ningora chikoba gakubwa asense meito kwanda asense mo ya Kisii County league nyagenderete ese chikosola chitigeta ngechikosolinye tonyoro mobui na toranda ke emin league ne chikoboro gati ye bintu bine kondo mandu mancho morigeri asense mo ya bene tobate ya momanye omogosoli yo lero iga amagosoli tukori ya mekaine buna Boaz Evans kurwa timu ya Bomachoge Borabu FC ote abande bakomoroka buna Brayo kurwa timu eyu agote otereri timu ya Chelsea no nakeleka okerete mono ime timu yaye nenga ke timu ya nyarite kubwa timu ya Small Simba gati ye bintu bindi tonde semo ya kabiri studio tore Evans Boaz inkia watekyo goteba
Samarieta ngoro ko Evans Boaz enikine mu bako nangeri Brayo Brayo riri arwete kuringana no mugako minto tata ne roringete asenge jona ria gatumikire musire karaga kiro mupira oete amaoni y'abantu na mange lakini nje buna amaete nje omanya buna nyima ete tindi mobe no monto muyande timu yane ngo support yekoro ku Chelsea do tuachakire ligi bobe lakini going forward ni ndoche na otora to perform ya senge some signings njiro to kora mostly nto bwati point money striker wana buna Aubama yange auchiko sign nkaite ngo chitore kwa babi se timu ya Borabu kwanza nche ngwa kachinamba chamega ngwa kande fullback 2 na motuge ngwa kande 11 9 na 7 lakini wana buna nche according to formation ni coach itago to banga 352 nganchi te waka mutu gaiga se striker tole babe ngwa ka striking esenge ncho according ne itiane waka defense tingo nyara senge ncha itiane tari kon favor the same way na midfield tari kon favor bono that's why ngo prefer waka to forward asege tieke intu na Bomachoge Borabu ntu anya goiterugetieke igono tinga gereti sinale ngorete igoso to bago chikombe kirera wa magetieke ntu anya goitu mepira yonsi to buete gotatigo yo moto chitedro timu nere ya to itete kere to arenge chi playoffs igali tendere ekoro kusmo Simba ya korugogerango mat kaite krea chitoke nyaga iga mbai gwete uzito azini tu abairane teri fenche bata ebeto abagete chigolisa twese bose fans baito n'abantu abaya bagendere guto support gochimotu obuyambororo na coding buna sponsor ite okwana na chabarorere gente kiana baro batebe buna chifans buna bagende to support sama tukagocha nchomo nyene burabuga iga tororo bune timu konyetiri at least to skewo cheke wango kego to ende div tu gotira paka to ike premier league karenda free timu ya ito stomenyete clubhouse to buate tv to korigere chimeche chitwakire twarekebisha magoso twarigere chikrip chichiko tokonya na ngane anyo mwali noko teibali bamaito mupiro bato join to akamu to tiramo buya twensi
ino nsemo ya momanye omogosorio gwetreta sinikia Ndizi TV to tarira chitim na abagosori batebye begano yabo ninki vanchite ninki bakorakera batarigeti gatiane sero yarenge boss kurwa se timu ya Bomachoge pero kuno moncho mwali bono tena mangana yenko ya gusiega to endase league ya Europe ensemble ya Europe ase ne vinge bya bere bigokorekane wiki yento abwate UEFA Conference League, UEFA Europa League na UEFA Champions League sa chitimu au chikorwanera ubunyangongo bwabo kwene kibunango nyarachire chikonyora obuibwaye bwabire konde tutaligiri chibicha kurwa sesemo ya kabire ye studio sesemo ya Europa ngoso likiri yaye yako gogetimo no gwetira machibo abete semidu wikiye
yali ya Manchester United ngatenero ya gogetimo no esinencho anjira banyatu bakora nyiromani tera kora bu yes Europa it was their first win ono ngagete coach tag and 10